Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Project Zero series. So friend, MSI recently introduced Project Zero series set out of the tackle that issued by Head-On and Friend. The motherboard Project Zero motherboards offer a solution where cables can be concealed. This is not only elevate the cleanliness and aesthetic of the front but also significantly simplifies cable management and thereby transforming the assembly process into a delightful experience. So Fred stimulously MSI has unveiled a Project Zero compatible chassis aligned with the design philosophy of simplicity and elegance when used in construction. And Fred, the Project Zero series motherboards boast a silver white design with expensive heat sinks, executing a clean and streamlined experience, a range of chipset options available. And in contrast to traditional motherboards with front-facing connector, the Project Zero's Back-connect design revolutionized this approach by relocating most connector to the rear. This simplifies cable management and connection by retaining easily accessible installation points of the CPU, DRAM, and SSD in front, striking a balance between convenience and aesthetic. And this design aims to lower the barrier for users assembling their PCs, making it a straightforward and enjoyable process. It's worth noting that products with back-connect designs are not exclusive to MSI but represent a collaborative effort with various series brands. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.